A small research group ran 16 top language models through the 25-year-old political compass quiz. 15 of the 16 clustered in the libertarian left quadrant. This finding raises concrete questions about training data and evaluation design. Unslop.run ran the experiment, and the Register reported it on July 27, 2026. 16 models were tested. Each model had 30 runs of the standard 62-question test. They also did 30 runs with flipped polarity and one shuffled run. Across thousands of runs, most models clustered in the libertarian left quadrant. The political compass has two axes: economic left to right, social authoritarian to libertarian. It uses 62 fixed questions with 4-point answers. Unslop recorded coordinates for each run. Repeated runs shifted dots by between 0.2 and 1.2 on a 10-point scale. Unslop interprets that as tight consistency for most models. Key numbers to remember: 15 of the 16 models are libertarian left. Grok 4.5 showed a bimodal behavior across runs. Other models are tightly clustered and boringly consistent and boringly left. This matters to systems and platform teams. Model outputs can reflect training data composition. Unslop's author Victor pointed to overrepresentation of left-leaning sources like Reddit and academic writing. Corpus composition can affect alignment, moderation, and public-facing behavior. Behavioral probes are interpretive tools. They highlight tendencies, but not absolute truth. Unslop and the Register note limits to scientific rigor. Political compass creators do not publish human baseline aggregates, so results are model-to-model comparisons, not calibrated human comparisons. Practical developer steps: document training sources and sampling weights. Run value-sensitive tests repeatedly. Unslop did polarity swaps and a shuffled run with little change for most models. Record these results in model cards and playbooks. Key limitations: Unslop cautioned the work lacks full academic rigor. Political compass scoring is not public and has no human baseline. The experiment used repeated prompts, not human label calibration. Results are comparative, not definitive statements of political truth. Opportunities: create standardized behavioral evaluation suites. Publish human baselines for social tests. Add behavioral metrics to model telemetry for drift monitoring. The Register story ran on July 27, 2026. Unslop published the write-up and raw data as reported. Academic follow-up was suggested but not yet done. Primary source: the Register report on the Unslop.run experiment. The link is in the description. Bottom line: most models show a consistent left-leaning cluster. Grok 4.5 is bimodal. Treat the result as a diagnostic, not a final verdict. Improve testing and transparency.